In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam not enough disk space error, all in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right into the solution so you can get back to enjoying your games without any hiccups. First, we'll start with a simple yet often effective step, restarting your PC and launching Steam once again. This might sound too easy to be true, but sometimes this basic reboot can resolve minor glitches and free up the necessary disk space. So, give your system a fresh start and see if that helps. Next, let's ensure Steam is running with the right permissions. Search for the Steam app on your desktop, then right-click on it. From the options that appear, select Run as Administrator. When prompted by the User Account Control, click Yes. Running Steam as an administrator grants it the ability to access more system resources, which might be the key to solving this pesky error. Once your Steam client is up and running as an administrator, navigate to the Steam homepage. On the top left corner, click on the Steam menu and select Settings from the drop-down. This section allows us to tweak some settings that might be causing the issue. Inside the settings, find the Downloads tab on the left. Here, look for the option labelled Clear Download Cache. By clearing this cache, we remove temporary files that may be clogging up your system and contributing to the disk space issue. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm your choice. Now it's time to focus on your games. Go to your library within Steam and choose a game that's been giving you trouble. Right-click on the game and select Properties. This will open a new window with more options related to the selected game. In the Properties window, navigate to the Installed Files section. Here you have the option to verify integrity of game files. Click on this button to initiate a check that will scan and validate the game's files, replacing any that are missing or corrupted. This process ensures your game is in perfect condition and not causing unnecessary storage demands. Once the verification process is complete, check if your not enough disk space error is resolved. With these steps, your issue should be fixed and you will hopefully find yourself with ample space to continue downloading or updating your games. Thanks for sticking with me through this troubleshooting journey. Remember that with these tips, you can often solve similar issues in the future. If you continue to face problems, consider checking your actual disk space or uninstalling unnecessary applications. Keep gaming fun and stress-free and enjoy your time on Steam.